So, 13 na ta. So, itong 13, itong problem is identify the crew member who have worked on the most number of the routes with a flight cancellation over 5%. So, muna itong kung select first name, last name. First name, last name, count. Pasabot anong tiya is count ha. Is take our routes ID as number of the routes. Ay, kapasabot ay aning CD ay kuan. Sorry. From crew C, crew C details CD on C crew CD crew. Join aircraft crew details ACD mo na siya ACD pasabot. On CD and TD mo na siya pasabot. Ang crew details. F ID. ACD crew details ID. Join aircraft details. Add on ACD aircraft details. AD this aircraft details ID. Join flight. Pasabot na ni F is flight on AD aircraft details ID F flight ID. Join route schedule. Ang RS man siya patukan. Route schedule. On flight route and schedule ID. RS route schedule ID. Join route R. Patawatan ng R is route. On RS route ID route ID. Join. So, muna siya. Itong code. Select our ID. Some case when flight status cancel when 1 else or 0 ends dash count 100 as a cancellation rate. From flight F join route schedule or RS on F router schedule ID. RS route and schedule join route R on RS router ID route ID. Group by route ID have a cancellation rate greater than 5. Cancellation router on RID cancellation router R routes and conduct route ID. Group by crew ID order by number of route IDC. So, ikapipaste lagi po natin na siya. Same lagi po itong gibuhat din sa taas because 12. Butangan na nato siya og create view para makamapagkasan. Okay? Tapos pagkahuman, sa same na gyapon sa procedure sa create procedure sa store. Okay? Store procedure. Ato rin gyapon i-copy-paste ang atong code instead of create view, create procedure ato ibutang para makamapagkasan. Okay?